How to block and unblock someone on TikTok. First of all, head over to your application TikTok and make sure you are logged into your account. It will land you on this page. Now search for the person that you want to block on TikTok. Head over to their profile. So let's say this is the person that you want to block on TikTok. Tap on the share icon at the top right corner. The option of block will be visible to you. Just tap on it. And then once again tap on block. So there you go, this person has been successfully blocked on TikTok. Now if you want to unblock, what you want to do is go back to your profile. Tap on this three line at the top right corner. Head over to settings and privacy. Moving to privacy. Scroll down and you'll find the option where it says blocked accounts. Head over to it. So right here it will show you all the list of the people that you have blocked on TikTok. If you want to unblock any of the people from here, just tap on unblock. So there you go, this person has been unblocked successfully. That's it, and this is simply how you can block and unblock someone on TikTok. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.